morning, my idols. Again, this is your partner Arvin Panaligan of BWL God's Team. And welcome sa another video presentation natin dito sa BWL. So in this video, ay i-discuss natin ano nga ba yung 4 active lines, Paano nga ba yan nag-work at saka paano yung requirements natin sa ranking. So magbibigay ako ng isang example na paano nga ba natin makuha yung rank natin plus paano nga ba yung 4 active lines. So let's say, pag-usapan natin mga idols, yung rank na BBM or Bronze Business Manager. So Bronze Business Manager, sabi sa system, sa requirements ng BWL, kailangan daw, number 1, meron kang at least 4 active lines. Okay? So mamaya pag-usapan natin ano yan, Number 2, kailangan daw, meron ka daw at least 300 boxes within 2 consecutive months. Okay? 300 boxes within 2 consecutive months. Number 3, kailangan mo daw at least 3 BM or Business Manager from different lines na downline mo. So, paano ba yan? Let's say, example, this is you. Okay? So, ikaw to. Sabihin natin, nag-join ka ng October. Okay? Nag-join ka ng October as Builder's Package. Okay? So, meaning, meron ka agad 6 boxes dahil Builder's Package ka. So, ikaw, nakapag-produce ka agad ng 6 boxes. Ngayon, let's say, nakapag-join ka ng at least 4, 4 na direct mo, or downlines mo. Let's say, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. So, si A, B, C, and D ay nag-join din as Builder's Package. So, meaning to say, on your first level pa lang, meron ka ng ilang boxes. Meron ka ng 24 boxes for the month of October. Pero ang good news, eto pala si A, B, and C, and D ay na-duplicate ka. So, kumuha din sila ng tiga-4 nila na directs or downlines, which is, ang mangyayari dyan, they are your second level na. Okay? So, si C, nagsipag din, ginaya lang ginawa mo, copy and paste system lang tayo. Okay, si D, na ganun din, nagka-downline din ng 4. So, meaning to say, on the same month of October, dahil si A, nagkaroon ng tiga-4 na directs, ganun din si B, C, and D na Builder's Package. On your second level, which is sila to, second level mo, nakapag-produce ka kaagad ng ilan? 24 boxes si A, 24 boxes si B, 24 boxes si C, at 24 boxes si D, total of 96 boxes. So, on that month, October, ilan yung naging total boxes mo? Nagkaroon ka ng 96 plus 24, so 120, plus 6 boxes your own personal sales or purchase, meron kang total of 160 boxes. Okay? So, clear ba tayo dyan? Okay. So, 126 boxes. Ngayon, sabi kanina sa requirements ng Bronze Business Manager, kailangan mo daw na at least 300 boxes. So, meaning to say, 300 boxes minus 126 boxes on October, kailangan mo pa ng at least 174 boxes for the month of November or for the following month para makuha natin yung 300 boxes in 2 consecutive months. So, meaning to say, kailangan natin 174. Plus, kailangan pa natin ng 3 BM. Pero ito good news. Diba remember, sabi sa system ng BWL, if you join the same month, plus nakapag-join ka na 4 na Builder's Pack, nag-Builder's Pack ka at may napag-join ka na 4 na Builder's Pack, you will be promoted to anong rank? Business Manager or PM. So good news dahil si A, si B, si C, and si D nakapag-invite din the same month, promoted sila as BM. So meaning to say, sumobra ka pa. Instead of 3 BM lang, meron kang ilan? 4 na BM pa. Okay? So ngayon, let's say, the following month, dahil required tayo every month na mag-purchase ulit or mag-maintain at least 5 boxes a month, okay? Si A tinamad. Okay? Si B, si C, at si D lang ang nag-purchase or nag-maintain ng 5 boxes. Ngayon, question dyan. Arvin, paano yan? Partner Arvin. Kailangan ng 4 active lines. So, meaning to say, ang active lines mo lang is si B, 1, si C, 2, si D, 3. You only have 3 active lines. Paano si A? Hindi nag-purchase. So, 3 active lines nga lang ba? Ito, good news mga idols. Kahit si A, okay, ano man yung nangyari kay A, kung bakit man hindi siya nag-purchase, Bahala na sa buhay niya. Ang good news, eto, yung mga downlines niya pala na to, nag-purchase naman. Okay, nag-maintain ng 5 boxes. Ang good news sa system, hindi kailangan direct mo yung mag-repurchase or mag-maintain the following month. Kahit second level mo pa siya, kahit third level mo pa siya, or fourth level, it will be considered as another one active line. So, ibig sabihin pala, kahit ito na wala na si A, dahil mas masipag tong second level niya, yan ang tinutulungan mo, consider siya as your one active line. So, again, meron si B, one active line, si C, second active line, si D, third active line, and then si A sa baba, namatay, hindi nag-purchase, okay? Pero yung second level niya, nag-purchase, 4 active lines na pala yan. So, meaning to say, kailangan monitor natin yan lahat, ano? So, let's say, itong group ni A nakapag-produce ng 74 boxes, grupo ni B nakapag-produce ng 50 boxes, and then yung grupo ni C ay nakapag-produce ng 25 boxes on November, si D ay nakapag-produce ng 25 boxes din. So, all in all, meron kang 174 boxes, okay? Sa grupo mo, plus nag-maintain ka pa ng 5 boxes, all in all, meron kang 179. So, November, meron kang 4 BM, okay, nakompleto mo yan. Kahit inactive si A, ang babasahin lang ng system dyan, 3 BM, dahil hindi siya nag-maintain or hindi siya nag-repurchase, 3 BM lang ang babasahin ng system niya. Remember kahit may BM ka na, pag hindi siya nag-maintain or naging active the following month, hindi pa rin siya ika-count the system. So, kailangan monitor mo yung mga downlines mo, tulungan mo yung mga downlines mo, at i-inform mo yung mga downlines mo regarding dito. So, dahil may 3 BM ka, si B, si C, at si D, plus nakapag-produce sila ng 174, yung group mo, plus yung maintenance mo ng 5 boxes, meron kang 179. So, a total of, ilan yan? November, 179 plus 126. Noong October, meron kang, ilan yan? 305 boxes. So, congratulations. Congratulations, may 4 active lines ka. May 3 business manager ka na downlines. Plus may 300 boxes, 305 boxes, sobra ka pa, no? 305 boxes on 2 consecutive months, which is October and November. Congratulations dahil bronze business manager ka na. So, same thing, mga idol sa ibang rank like SBM, Senior Business Manager, Silver Director, Gold Director, and sa Platinum Director. Ganun din, ano? Very important na magkaroon tayo at pa-monitor natin itong 4 active lines. So, again, hindi kailangan na direct mo yung active. Okay? So, kahit pang 5th level mo pa yan, pang 4th level mo pa yan, or ano bang level yan, babasahin ng system yan as your one active line. The most important thing, ang kailangan natin mabantayan dyan, different lines. Okay? Magkakaiba ng linya. So, hindi kailangan direct, pero magkakaiba ng linya, pasok pa rin as for active line. So, hopefully mga idols ay nakatulong tong video na to para mas maintindihan natin paano nga ba natin makukuha or ma-hit yung rank na gusto natin dito sa BWL. And of course, ano nga ba yung 4 active lines? At least, hopefully, mas clear na sa atin, yung paghahabol natin or yung pag-intindi natin dito sa ranking natin. So again, thank you very much for watching this video and good luck everyone. Power sa lahat ng mga idols. Go, go, go for SB. Power God's team. Thank you.